Imagine finishing your weekly to-do list in half a time and doing every task better. That's not fantasy, that's what AI can do for you. And here's the kicker. Over 90% of the people who use AI at work have zero coding skill, and most are saving 5+ hours a week. What would you do with an extra 5 hours? Slip in, hit the gym, or finally start a hobby you've been putting off? AI isn't just about the speed. It can make your work sharper, your plans smarter, and your life a lot easier. And in this course, I'll show you exactly how, in plain English, no jargon, no coding. Just real tools, real examples, and real results. I'm Sadie, Assistant Professor of AI and Business at SUNY, and I've helped students, business owners, and faculty use AI to save time, grow income, and get more done with less stress. If you can type a sentence, you can learn AI, and this series will show you how. How regular people are already using AI. AI isn't about replacing your job, it's about making your life easier. I want to show you how AI is already helping people, starting with myself. I teach artificial intelligence and analytics at SUNY, and no, my major is not about robots and coding, but I am very passionate about making AI accessible and useful for real people. So I used to spend 12 to 15 hours every week outside class prepping lectures, creating slides, and answering students' emails. Now I use AI to outline lessons, draft slides, and even provide custom feedback to my students. That cut my prep time in half. I got my evenings back, I sleep better, and I work out more. And I eventually found enough time to build this course to help people like you do the same. One of my students owns a small shop and had zero design skills. He used AI to create a full month of ads in under an hour. His foot traffic jumped 25%, and he also told me for the first time he felt really proud of how his business looked online. Another student, a single mom with a jewelry shop, used to spend hours every night writing product description and customer replies. I showed her how to use AI to handle both. Now, this task takes only 30 minutes of her time. With that extra time, she was able to make more pieces, and her sale went up by 40%. AI is not just about work. You can use AI to meal plan based on what is already in your fridge to save money and skip takeouts. I know people who redesign their entire living room with AI without paying an interior designer. People use AI for fitness plans, shopping decisions, and even tough conversations they are not ready to have. Yes, AI can help you write an email, but it can also plan a wedding, explain Minecraft to your kid, or draft a breakup text you'll never send. Now, pause and think. What is one task that you do every week that drains your time? Maybe it's email, social media posts, or planning meals. Comment it under this video. We'll come back to it later. If you could type that comment, you can learn and use AI. And once you do, it will change how you get things done forever. What to expect? 2 pillars of this course. Here is how this course is going to help you. First, simple plain English explanation. We'll break down AI concepts without jargon or technical terms. You'll understand what's going on even if you've never touched a line of code. Second, practical, real-world usage. I'll show you how to use AI to save time, get organized, make better decisions, and be more productive at work and in daily life. You'll see real examples in every module. Not just concepts, but how to actually use AI in real life. What is next? If you're still here, you're my kind of person. So hit like so YouTube knows this is worth sharing, and subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this series. And if you've got a friend who could use AI to save time, send this to them. They will thank you later. You've just seen how AI is already transforming everyday lives. From cutting late night hours from 4 hours to 30 minutes, to boosting sales by 40%, to creating pro level ads in under an hour. But here's the twist. You've probably been using AI for years without even realizing it. In the next module, I'll prove it. And once you see it, you'll never look at your phone, your apps, or your daily routine the same way again. See you there.